Stop scrolling. For the next 60 minutes, nothing outside this room gets to rewrite who you are. If you want to stay average, close this video now. If you want to rebuild, to sharpen, to become a person your past would never recognize, stay. And if this helps you, agar video he laj to zarur subscribe karna. Now breathe. This is not motivation. This is a mind-forging session. Hi, welcome. Today we will do something rare. We will not plaster you with sugar-coated quotes. We will not hand you temporary inspiration. Instead, for the next hour, I will give you a system, a battlefield manual, for turning your mind into your most powerful weapon. This will include lessons, real-life stories, exercises you must do with me, journaling prompts, and practical drills in English to build your fluency and confidence. If the video helps you, do one thing now: subscribe. We chase jobs, money, degrees. Rarely are we taught the meta skill, how to run the machine that gets those things, your mind. Let me be blunt. The quality of your life is not decided by what happens to you. It is decided by the strength of your inner software when life tests you. People with little resources win because they have a stronger inner system. People with everything can lose because their mind is weak. Quick exercise, English fluency. Repeat after me, out loud. I control my response. I choose belief. I train my mind. Most people run on an outdated system, programmed by fear, by other people's expectations, by past failure. Imagine your mind as a phone filled with apps you didn't install, notifications, opinions, guilt. If you don't clear the junk, your device slows, crashes, freezes. Story. A short true feeling anecdote. Think of someone who grew up hearing, "not for people like us." They took that voice into jobs, relationships, choices, and it became a limit. Years later, they thought they were stuck, but really they were only obeying an old program. Practical step. List 5 phrases people told you that became your default. Write them down. For each, write a stronger replacement. Give 60 seconds to write. Fluency tip, English. Practice replacements out loud. Using affirmative short sentences trains both mind and mouth. Inside your head are 2 voices, the backward voice, fear, and the forward voice, growth. Most people obey the loudest, not the truest. Task, follow with me. When you hear "I can't," interrupt and ask. Based on what evidence? Say that question aloud. Pause. Micromeditation. For 3 minutes, sit quietly. When a thought arises, label it fear, doubt, or fact. This labeling weakens the thought. Watch your breath. Guide 3 minutes. Give breathing cues. English practice. Read these lines slowly and clearly. I am learning. Failure is feedback. Small steps create big results. Record yourself and listen back. Notice pronunciation, rhythm, strength. You don't fight the voice forever, you overwrite it. Your mind believes repetition. Programming requires daily rituals, mental rehearsals, affirmations, visualization, journaling. A 10-minute morning blueprint. Silence, 3 minutes. Observe thoughts. Movement, 5 minutes. Stretch, walk, shake. Read, 2 minutes. Pick a sentence that builds courage. Speak, 3 minutes. Repeat identity statements. Deep drill, visualization, 5 minutes. Close your eyes. Visualize a challenge you'll face this week and see yourself succeeding step by step. Hear the sounds, feel the breath of victory. Narrated aloud in English. I see myself completing X, handling Y, responding with calm. Language building. Build 3 identity statements. I am disciplined. I am resilient. I finish what I start. Say each 5 times, then write a short paragraph, 3 to 4 sentences, about how you will act today as that identity. Pause for writing 60 to 90s. Emotions will visit. You do not have to obey them. You are the commander. Practical technique, the pause. When emotion spikes, stop for 6 breaths. Label the feeling. Ask, what is this asking me to know? then choose action intentionally. Role play. Speak with me. Imagine you get criticism. Internal script. Most people run. They hate me. I will quit. New script. This is information. I will evaluate, take what helps, discard the rest. Repeat both scripts aloud and feel the difference. Fluency drill. Read a short paragraph describing an emotion in vivid language. Aim for calm, measured voice. This trains emotional control through speech. Victim thinking says, "This happened to me." Warrior thinking says, "This happened for me." Taking radical ownership is not blame, it is power. Exercise. Write one past hurt that still runs your life. Now write 3 actions you can take today to change how you respond to that memory. Small, specific, measurable actions. Pause to write. Story of resilience, e.g. Mandela example condensed. Real leaders don't get victimized by circumstance. They use it to build character. English framing. Turn your victim story into a reframe. Example, I was betrayed. Now I am wiser and more discerning. Read aloud, refine tone, own it. Your words are program code. Replace weak language with precise, active language. Daily language audit. For one day, note every time you say, I can't, I'm tired, I'll try. Replace with action language. I will. I choose to rest now. I will start. Micro challenge, 10 minutes. Create a 60-second power speech about your life. Use present tense strong language. I build. I do. I succeed. Practice delivery. Enunciate clearly. Record. Listen. Improve. Powerful final point. Train your mind like a soldier each morning. Protect your attention. Starve distractions. Feed discipline.
The user asks approx 1 hour. Include an actionable toolkit they can use over many days. This extends content and gives material to fill the hour when presented with pauses exercises. 30-day mindset log. Each day write 3 wins, 1 lesson, and 1 fixed phrase you repeated. E.g., I am capable. 5-minute pause drill. Pause for 5 breaths before every big decision for 1 week. Focus block template. 50 minutes work, 10 minutes rest, no phone. Journal after each block, 1 insight. Daily language fix. Replace 1 negative phrase with an identity statement every hour of the day. Pain to strength reframe exercise. Take 1 painful memory, write 3 lessons it taught. Read these twice a day. Guided 5-minute breathing plus visualization, suitable to play in video. Breathe in for 4, hold 4, out 6. Repeat 6 cycles. Visualize a goal, see the steps, speak the first step aloud. Guide the listener through it. You now have a field manual. Identify your enemy voice, reprogram daily, master emotions, reject victimhood, speak like a warrior, train every morning, starve distractions, choose belief over fear, use pain as your trainer, and act like a winner. If you followed even half of this, your life trajectory changes. You will make fewer reactive choices, build stronger habits, speak with more authority, in English and in life. Final ask, agar apko ye video pasan a to zarur subscribe Karen. It helps the channel grow and brings you more deep content like this. Also comment below. 1 belief you are going to replace today. I read every comment. End with a slow, powerful line. Your mind is your weapon. Forge it with discipline. Protect it with practice. Use it with purpose. Now go build a life your past self never imagined.